Hey, what's good guys, John here, and I literally just walked out of an Apple store with some goodies inside here. You could probably already expect what it is. Now I was planning to walk home, but the transit system got a little wonky, so I'm just literally gonna find a spot somewhere to park and unbox it for you guys. Now I'm just in the middle of a baseball field right now. Probably not the right spot to do it, but I'll find a bench somewhere and then we're gonna get things set up and let's just get this open together. Hey guys, so I found a spot. It's not the most ideal spot in the world, but it will do. We do have a little bench right here and the bag is just sitting on it right now. I'm straight up just gonna be setting the camera somewhere around here, and then we're gonna unbox it together. Now guys, bear with me as I'm recording this off of my iPhone 12 Pro, and the audio and recording quality is probably not that good, especially since it's recording from the front facing camera, but I will be flipping it around and using the back facing camera when we do the unboxing. So why don't we go ahead, get started here. I'll set everything up and then we'll do it together. All right, we're gonna have to switch spots. It is so freaking sunny here, but I'm gonna grab my bag and then we're gonna look for that bench right over there. This is where I'm probably gonna be doing the unboxing. So just bear with me guys, we're on it right now. Oh man, just walking through this morning dew is getting my shoes completely wet right now. So if you guys feel bad, please hit that subscribe and that notification bell, that like as well. But here we are. We're at the spot that we're gonna do it. We have some really nice graffiti here as well, so let's try to get this started with. All right guys, so without further ado, let's get started. Inside this bag is not what you guys expect. You're probably expecting the iPhone 13 Pro or the iPhone 13. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna save it for another video. In this video here, we're gonna do specific to the iPhone or the iPad mini. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Now this is the 64GB version. Apple has decided to stick with 64GB, even though they decided to go 128 as the minimum for the iPhone. We're gonna go ahead and just grab our key right here, and then we're gonna slice the back open, and then let's see what's inside. Seems like this year Apple gave us this pull tab. I'm not sure if this will unwrap it or not, but let's go ahead and try that. Oh, so it seems like it does. It looks really awesome already. Apple decided to give us that thing this year. Although I typically do like to cut it perfectly right here. Just my OCD kicking in and thinking that, hey, one day I can wrap it back up or something. But let's pull it open. And wow, look at that, guys. Super sweet. All right, so let's open this up. All right, so let's jiggle the box a little bit here. Typically, that's how we get it out with all Apple devices. And it is a little bit more suctiony this time, if that's a word. And there we have it. We're almost 50% there. And bam, holy. Looks really nice already with this flat piece right here and not really noticing the fingerprint reader at the bottom. And then underneath the box, we do have the manual and we have a USB Type-C cable as well as a charging brick. So Apple has decided that this isn't gonna hurt the environment if you do have an iPad versus an iPhone. Anyways, we'll set this aside. Simply just peel this apart. And I got the purple variant of it, so I'm really liking this color. Let's pull this little tab open, and there we go, guys. Wow. So the edges are completely flat, which I love. It looks pretty much like my iPhone. And then we have the SIM card right over here, or it's just the antenna band, I'm not exactly sure. And then we have just the back purple finish, which is amazing, and you can see how reflective that is. And then this is the camera bump. This is new for the iPad, I believe. There isn't a camera bump before. It used to be flush, but I think with the upgraded optical right here, it does need that bump, which is completely fine. I'm not really feeling it. And then the entire device itself, I already have some kind of smudge all over the screen, but that's completely fine. Let's boot this up for the first time and let's check out what it's like. And super weird that the volume rockers are right up top there. We really have to talk about that in another video. This is just gonna be a super quick unboxing, but let's see here. Left, right, pretty much the same. We have the bottom speakers, microphone, I'm guessing, top and bottom, in case you do want to play games, and it is covered up. So here we go, guys. This is the first look to the iPad mini. You got your hello screen, you got all your setup, and it's already rotating to whatever orientation you have. That's really sweet. Overall, guys, I think this is a beautiful design. One thing I'm really gonna touch up on, and you guys will have to wait until another video, is the borders. I do think it's a little thick, but we're gonna compare this with another device and see how thick it really is. So anyways guys, this should wrap it up for this video of the purple iPad mini. If you guys got one as well, let me know in the comments below what you think about your color and which one is your favorite color. And comparing it to the last iPad mini, what do you think? This should wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, and while you're at it, hit that like button as well. This is John. Once again, peace out.